At One Elm, construction is advancing steadily towards completion, with the finishing stages now well underway. Priming works ahead of the first coat of paint are 50% complete, while tiling has reached 90%, currently progressing on the 10th floor. Indoor air conditioning installations are almost fully done at 95%, with outdoor units at 60%. Electrical fixtures are nearing completion at 90%. Window and door frames are being fitted, now 30% complete, while sanitary appliances are being installed at a similar 30%. Sunbreakers, including AC ducts for outdoor units, are halfway done at 50%, and fabrication of the metal escape staircases has reached 30%. In the coming weeks, testing of pipes and electricals will be carried out, and the fixing of balustrades for balconies will also begin. By October, we expect significant milestones to be achieved: installation of internal doors, the second coat of exterior painting, fitting of glass frames, and the installation of kitchen cabinets and appliances, all progressing towards completion.